the lighthouse of unseen bonds. In the coastal town of Serenity Bay, where the salty breeze danced through the air and waves whispered tales of distant lands, three friends named Liam, Clara, and Oliver forged a bond that would weather the tides of time. Serenity Bay, with its charming cottages and the iconic lighthouse that stood tall against the horizon, was a haven for those seeking solace by the sea. Liam, with his adventurous spirit, Clara, the wise and compassionate soul, and Oliver, the dreamer with a heart as vast as the ocean, formed an inseparable trio that embodied the spirit of the coastal town. Their friendship began in the innocence of childhood, marked by sandcastles on the shore and late-night stargazing on the lighthouse cliffs. The town, with its vibrant community and the ever-watchful lighthouse, became the backdrop of their shared memories. As the years unfolded, the trio's lives took separate paths, but the bonds of Serenity Bay held them together like an invisible thread. Liam became a marine biologist, exploring the mysteries of the ocean depths. Clara, with her nurturing spirit, became a marine conservationist, advocating for the preservation of Serenity Bay's coastal wonders. Oliver, true to his dreams, pursued a career as a storyteller, capturing the essence of the sea in his tales. One stormy night, as waves crashed against the cliffs and the lighthouse beams cut through the darkness, an old sailor named Captain Elias sought refuge in Serenity Bay. He bore tales of distant shores, hidden treasures, and the magic of unbreakable bonds forged at sea. Intrigued by the sailor's stories, the trio gathered at Liam's beachside cottage, where a fireplace crackled with warmth and the salty scent of the ocean lingered in the air. Captain Elias, with eyes that held the wisdom of countless voyages, spoke of a mystical island beyond the horizon. Legend had it that the island, hidden from mortal eyes, held a treasure chest containing tokens of unseen bonds, objects that symbolized the intangible connections between kindred spirits. Drawn by the allure of the unseen bonds, Liam, Clara, and Oliver decided to embark on a seafaring adventure. They set sail on Liam's boat, christened the Serenity Seeker, its sails billowing with dreams and the lighthouse guiding their way. As they navigated the open sea, Captain Elias regaled them with tales of friendship tested by tempests and strengthened by the constancy of the lighthouse beacon. Days turned into weeks as they sailed through uncharted waters, guided by the stars and the lore of Captain Elias. Finally, on the horizon, a mysterious island emerged, a verdant paradise shrouded in mist. The trio anchored at the island's shores, where silver sands sparkled like hidden treasures. The island, named Isle of Unseen Bonds, held an ethereal beauty that mirrored the depth of friendships forged over time. As the trio explored its lush landscapes, they discovered a cavern adorned with symbols that seemed to resonate with the echoes of their own shared journey. In the heart of the cavern lay the legendary treasure chest, awaiting discovery. With a sense of anticipation, Liam, Clara, and Oliver opened the chest. To their amazement, it contained artifacts that mirrored their personalities and the essence of their friendship. Liam found a polished seashell, a reflection of his love for the mysteries of the ocean. Clara discovered a delicate compass, symbolizing her guidance and unwavering support. Oliver, with a gleam of recognition, found a quill and parchment, embodying the magic of his storytelling. Captain Elias, with a knowing smile, explained that the unseen bonds between friends were like the treasures in the chest, invisible yet powerful, each object a reminder of the shared journey that had brought them to this mystical island. As the trio sailed back to Serenity Bay, the artifacts from the Isle of Unseen Bonds became cherished symbols of their enduring friendship. Liam, Clara, and Oliver, now more connected than ever, decided to share their newfound wisdom with the town. In Serenity Bay, a grand celebration awaited the return of the Serenity Seeker. The trio, with artifacts in hand, stood on the lighthouse cliffs, where the iconic beacon bathed them in its reassuring light. Liam, Clara, and Oliver shared the story of their journey, of the Isle of Unseen Bonds, and the treasures that celebrated the invisible threads binding their hearts. The town, inspired by their tale, embraced the spirit of the unseen bonds. Serenity Bay became a place where friendships were revered, where the lighthouse served not only as a guide for sailors but also as a symbol of the enduring bonds that connected the hearts of its inhabitants. As the years passed, Liam, Clara, and Oliver continued to share the wisdom of the Isle of Unseen Bonds with new generations. The artifacts from the treasure chest adorned the Lighthouse Museum, a testament to the magic of invisible connections that transcended time and space. And so, in the coastal town of Serenity Bay, where the salty breeze danced through the air, waves whispered tales of friendship, and the lighthouse stood as a silent witness to the enduring bonds of the trio, the story of the Isle of Unseen Bonds became a cherished legend, a tale of friendship, treasures discovered in the heart, and the eternal guidance of the lighthouse that watched over Serenity Bay. The Whimsical Workshop. In the heart of the bustling city of Crescendo, where towering skyscrapers kissed the clouds and the streets hummed with the rhythm of urban life, three friends named Aria, Felix, and Luna discovered an extraordinary workshop tucked away in an old, forgotten alley. Little did they know that this whimsical workshop would change the course of their lives forever. Crescendo was a city of dreams, a place where ambitions soared as high as the skyline. Aria, with her love for music, Felix, the ingenious inventor with a heart for gadgets, and Luna, the imaginative artist with a penchant for colors, formed a trio that embodied the vibrancy of the city. One rainy afternoon, as droplets painted patterns on the pavement, the trio stumbled upon a peculiar sign, the Whimsical Workshop, where dreams take shape. Intrigued, they pushed open the creaking door and entered a world of wonders. The workshop, adorned with ticking clocks, swirling gears, and walls covered in sketches, seemed like a haven for creativity. A wise old craftsman named Mr. Whimsy welcomed them with a twinkle in his eye. He explained that the workshop existed beyond the constraints of time and reality, a place where dreams manifested into tangible wonders. Aria, Felix, and Luna, captivated by the enchanting atmosphere, eagerly accepted an invitation to explore the limitless possibilities within the workshop. As they delved into the heart of the workshop, they discovered magical rooms that defied the laws of nature. In one room, musical notes floated in the air, creating symphonies that resonated with the trio's very souls. In another, gears and gadgets whirred with life, responding to Felix's inventive touch. Luna found a room where colors danced on canvases, bringing her vibrant imagination to life. Mr. Whimsy, sensing the trio's unique gifts, revealed that the workshop responded to the desires of those who entered. Aria, Felix, and Luna, each in their own way, became the caretakers of this extraordinary space. The workshop, attuned to their passions, began crafting creations that transcended the boundaries of ordinary existence. Aria discovered a room filled with instruments that played melodies inspired by her emotions. Every strum of a guitar or tap on a piano key resonated with the feelings in her heart, turning the workshop into a symphony of her innermost thoughts. Felix, with his love for innovation, uncovered a chamber where he could bring his wildest inventions to life. Clockwork creatures roamed the workshop, fueled by Felix's boundless creativity, and the air buzzed with the hum of gadgets that defied the laws of physics. Luna, the artist with a soul painted in hues of imagination, stumbled upon a room where every stroke of her brush created living, breathing masterpieces. Colors blended and morphed, forming surreal landscapes and fantastical creatures that roamed the workshop in harmony. As the trio immersed themselves in the magic of the workshop, word spread across Crescendo about the wonders within the hidden alley. The once forgotten workshop became a sanctuary for dreamers, a place where the city's inhabitants could escape the rigors of everyday life and immerse themselves in the whimsical embrace of possibility. The workshop, now a beacon of creativity, drew people from all walks of life. Musicians sought inspiration in Aria's symphony room, inventors exchanged ideas with Felix in the gadget chamber, and artists collaborated with Luna in the kaleidoscopic realm of colors. The trio, once ordinary friends navigating the bustling city, had become legends in Crescendo. The Whimsical Workshop, under their guidance, flourished into a haven of artistic exploration, a place where dreams took shape and the extraordinary became the norm. However, as the workshop thrived, the trio discovered an unexpected twist. The more they poured their creativity into the workshop, the more it seemed to reflect their innermost desires, bringing to life not just their dreams but also their fears and insecurities. Aria's symphony room, once a sanctuary of melodies, began to echo with haunting tunes that mirrored the turmoil in her heart. Felix's gadget chamber, while creating marvels, birthed eccentric contraptions that hinted at the chaos within his mind. Luna's kaleidoscopic realm, though filled with breathtaking art, birthed surreal creatures that seemed to embody her deepest fears. Realizing the workshop's dual nature, the trio faced a choice: to confront the shadows within or abandon the whimsical haven they had created. Undeterred, they decided to delve into the heart of the workshop, confronting the manifestations of their inner struggles. Arya, with courage in her heart, embraced the haunting melodies and transformed them into powerful compositions that resonated with strength and resilience. Felix, facing the eccentricities of his mind, channeled his fears into innovative solutions, turning chaos into order. Luna, confronting the surreal creatures, painted them into beautiful representations of her acceptance and self-love. As the trio overcame their inner struggles, the workshop responded in kind. The symphony room, once haunted, filled the air with uplifting tunes. The gadget chamber, now tamed, buzzed with inventions that solved real-world problems. Luna's kaleidoscopic realm, transformed by self-love, radiated with vibrant and harmonious art. The transformed workshop became a beacon of inspiration, not just for Crescendo but for dreamers worldwide. Arya, Felix, and Luna, now revered as the custodians of the workshop's magic, shared their journey of self-discovery with those who entered the hidden alley. And so, in the heart of Crescendo, where skyscrapers kissed the clouds and the streets hummed with the rhythm of urban life, the whimsical workshop became a testament to the transformative power of creativity and self-discovery. The trio, once ordinary friends, had unearthed a treasure that went beyond the boundaries of time and reality, a place where dreams took shape, fears were confronted, and the whimsical dance of possibility enchanted all who dared to step through its creaking door. The Celestial Symphony. In the celestial city of Lumina, where the stars were the streetlights and the moonlit avenues sparkled like diamonds, three friends named Stella, Orion, and Luna discovered a mystical observatory perched atop a hill. Little did they know that this observatory held the key to unlocking the celestial symphony that echoed through the cosmos. Lumina was a realm of magic, where constellations danced in celestial ballets, and the auroras painted the night sky in hues of emerald and violet. Stella, with her affinity for astronomy, Orion, the stargazer with a heart full of dreams, and Luna, the dreamweaver with a spirit as luminescent as moonbeams, formed a trio that embodied the enchantment of their celestial home. One clear night, as the constellations formed intricate patterns in the heavens, the trio stumbled upon the celestial observatory. A towering structure made of crystalline glass and adorned with silver filigree, it seemed to whisper promises of unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos. Eager to explore its wonders, Stella, Orion, and Luna ascended the spiraling staircase that led to the observatory's dome chamber. In the heart of the observatory, a colossal telescope awaited, its lens pointed towards the tapestry of stars.